In this video, I'm going to show you my best heroes so far from everything here. Of course, except my main hero. I mean, the main hero is the best hero, but let's say second one. And for me, this is Questa. That's why she's right now level 70. And I will explain why for me she's the best hero so far. Maybe she's not the best hero for a single boss when you attack a single target, but for multiple targets or maybe waves like Goblin Lair or any other place, I think she's absolutely great. And let's jump and see why she's so good. First of all, this is one of the most important spells that actually she provides, and this is the first one. Bloodthirst, every time an enemy dies, grants recovery over time to all aliens for 10 seconds. And believe me, this recovery over time can actually stuck, and it's not actually needed you to kill this hero or monster or whatever. It's just need this mob or hero or whatever to die. And I see this thing stuck like 7 times. So this healing is going to increase with 7 times, going to 2000 healing per second for 10 seconds. This is absolutely huge. So huge thumbs up for this spell, and this is one of the spells I think make her one of the most needed hero in my team, just because I don't need the healer. When I have Questa, I don't need the healer in the Dragonheir Silent Gods so far. Of course, there's going to be hard enemies. There is a boss fights where this is not going to apply very well. It's basically not going to apply, because if it's boss, when the boss died, then you're going to get the healing. But if before the boss actually there is a waves, this is going to bring here the HP of your heroes till you actually face the boss. The next one is charge toward the enemy with lowest HP, dealing 420 necrotic damage with a 75% chance to inflict attack penalty. Now again, this is one of the most important buffs in the game. In all game you're going to play, there are going to be defense down, they're going to be attack down, defense up, and attack up. And this is for me one of the best buffs in the game, just because the enemy is going to do half damage. So to actually make 100% damage the enemy, he have to fire up 2 times because of this attack penalty. It's for 5 seconds, not that much seconds, but definitely if you catch the enemy at the time he cast his rage skill or ultimate, definitely is very nice. Even not the ultimate, since this spell, for example, Tormentation, is not actually an ultimate, but still do 420% attack damage, necrotic damage. This is going to be on half, it's going to be 210%. Very nice debuff, and very good attack, by the way. 420 is very good damage. And going to the ultimate, Marrow Devour, jump toward the enemy, dealing 950% attack necrotic damage, stealing 30% of their ultimate energy, and healing the hero for 475% attack. Now there was a point that I was like, let's use this hero as a tank. I mean, 475% attack as a healing, stealing 30% of the ultimate energy, and doing close to 1000% damage. I think this is very good, but I think still I'm going to need Horus, because she don't have that much defense, HP, and so on. But I think this is very good hero that is basically one man army. You getting healing, stealing from the ultimate energy, doing close to 1000 attack damage as necrotic damage. I think is very nice. And then when you kill somebody, you're going to get recovery over time, and that's why for me so far, except my main hero, this is going to be your best hero. I think this is my best hero so far in the game, Dragonheir Silent Gods. And That's why I level up her. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Questa after you saw her spells. I'm really curious, and of course see you in the next video.